Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngeRose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today to do the fabulous Fawns 2022 collab with DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon for fall 2022. And this is day one. And this is day one for Cara. And this is day one for DearJulieJulie. Okay. I already have everything pre-cut and ready to go. So we shall see what's going to happen. Let me get everything out. Now I'm going to get one of Cara Brandon's pages, which I printed. But now I got to figure out which one I want to put all this on that I don't have to cover some nice stuff up with. And that's not it. So we're going to go with a collage page, but I'll probably have to print it out, y'all. But I'm just going to go with it. Here's the two bookmarks from DearJulieJulie. And I want this one this way. I want the flower on top. But as y'all can see, let's follow the paper here. Okay, it does go on the top. So we're going to go with it. Let me see here. I want this one here. But let's see, a little tuck here, and that can go there. So the owl here. We can take the butterfly and do this. Bend up right here. Bend up right here. And we can have it like so. Like so. Like so. If I want to make this a tuck spot, we can take this vintage lady and tuck her in like so. Or we can do it the reverse. Like so. Now, I am not going to ink everything. So let's go and put this all together. If I can find my glue. There we go. I want it on that side. So we're going to go these two sides here. I'm going to leave like a small border. Now I'm going to get Mr. Rolly so I can spread my glue on the sides and the bottom here. Okay. I'm going to take the little bit of glue on my finger and put that right there. I'm going to put the butterfly right here. And then we're going to do this one on two sides, the bottom and this side. Leave a small little border. Like so. Let them dry. And then we can put those somewhere. But I want to take one of these pages. Okay. I'm going to use this one, the back of this one. And let's see. Oh, the back of these are, I love them. So I want to do a little tucky right here, so we're going to take this vintage lady. I'm going to put glue this side and this side. So it's going to be here and here. Leave a tiny little border where the green is. Okay. And then I can take that here. Maybe put that up there. But I can also make it a pocket if I put it this way, and we can fit something in there like so. Okay. Maybe the deer? I don't know. We'll see. But for now, we have this tuck spot, this tuck spot, and this tuck spot. So these are done. This one, I don't know what I want to do with. I might use it on the other parts. So now I have the other pieces in my little basket over here to the side. But do I want to use them on these two, or wait until I do the pages? Let's wait. So far, I think I have a lantern cut out. See? Oh, I do. And it's smaller. So I can put this lantern here. I can use this one. Let me see. We can put a label over here in the corner. I got more butterflies and things like that. Put that right there. Okay. We can put this little label over here, but that one already has. So let's put this to the side. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put that right here. Okay. Then we can take this and put it here, or I'll put it right there. And this will be all said and done. So we're going to pick these up and put them away. Okay? So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, please hit the thumbs up button. It does help. Your comments help me get noticed more. So, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. See you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.